Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to teach you how to make block shade. Okay, so let's make some block shade. First step, we're going to figure out what you want, then you're going to have to get an image of it. Upload it. Now follow what I'm doing here. So we're going to convert this into a vector. Now we have different tools. So now we're going to zoom in. We're going to get a shape, either rectangle or circle. We're going to get the eyedropper tool. And then we're going to get the shape. We're going to place the shape in that area. Then we're going to reshape the shape. Just like how I'm doing here. Just fix that. There. So where you see that color, like I have this reddish color, whenever I see that kind of reddish color, I'm going to stretch out the shape or shrinken the shape into that form. So as you can see here, I'm doing that. Now I've done it 2 more times, and I'm going to tell you how to do it again. I'm going to just zoom in. Get your shape, get your eyedropper tool, then place your shape down, then get the reshape tool, and then reshape your shape in so it fits the area where that color that you have taken is. And as you can see, I have stretched out. I just did that to show you the color. Now this is what it will look like when you're all done, and trust me, it takes a long time, so you gotta be very patient for this. Now let's compare the two, the first and the second. So the first one is before, the uploaded picture that we've made, and this is the now, the one after we've blocked. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!